This is Unit 1 of Pimsleur's Russian 1. Listen to this conversation.
Извините, вы понимаете по-английски?
Нет, я не понимаю по-английски.
Я немного понимаю по-русски.
Вы американец?
Да, я американец.
In the next few minutes, you'll learn not only to understand this conversation, but to take part in it yourself. Imagine an American man sitting next to a Russian woman on a bus in St. Petersburg. He wants to begin a conversation, so he says, "Excuse me."
Извините.
The Russian speaker is going to repeat this word part by part, starting from the end. You are to repeat each part after him, trying to make your pronunciation sound exactly like his. Be sure you repeat aloud.
Те. Нити. Нити. Вините. Вините. Из. Извините. Извините.
Say, "Excuse me," in Russian.
Извините.
Now he wants to ask her if she understands English. First the word English. Listen and repeat.
По-английски. Ски. Ски. Глиски. Глиски. Английски. По. По-английски. По-английски.
How do you say English?
По-английски.
Literally, this means in English. Say again English, meaning the English language.
По-английски. По-английски.
Say, "Excuse me."
Извините.
Did you hear the "yeah" sound at the end of that word? You should repeat after the speaker gives the correct response, trying to make your pronunciation sound like his.
Извините.
Now he wants to ask, "Do you understand?" Here's the word understand.
Понимаете.
Repeat part by part.
Те. Ете. Маете. Маете. Ни. Пони. Понимаете. Понимаете.
Say, understand.
Понимаете.
Here's how to say, you understand. Listen and repeat.
Вы понимаете. Вы. Вы. Вы понимаете. Вы понимаете.
The Russian word you ends with a sound which does not exist in English. Listen and repeat.
Вы. Вы. Вы понимаете.
This is a common sound in Russian. Say again, you understand.
Вы понимаете.
Do you remember how to say English?
По-английски.
And now try to say, you understand English.
Вы понимаете по-английски. Вы понимаете по-английски.
Say again, you understand.
Вы понимаете.
Listen and repeat. Do you understand?
Вы понимаете? Вы понимаете?
To ask a question in Russian, you simply change the intonation of the statement. Say again, you understand.
Вы понимаете.
Now ask me if I understand.
Вы понимаете? Вы понимаете?
Say, ask her if she understands Russian.
Вы понимаете по-русски? Вы понимаете по-русски?
She's still not answering. Now ask her if she understands English.
Вы понимаете по-английски? Вы понимаете по-английски?
Нет. Нет.
How does she tell you that she doesn't understand English?
Я не понимаю по-английски. Я не понимаю по-английски.
How does she ask you if you understand Russian?
Вы понимаете по-русски? Вы понимаете по-русски?
Tell her you understand a little Russian.
Я немного понимаю по-русски. Я немного понимаю по-русски.
Tell her only a little.
Только немного. Только немного.
How does she ask you if you are an American?
Вы американец? Вы американец?
Say yes.
Да. Да.
Yes, I'm an American.
Да. Я американец. Да. Я американец.
She'll ask you a question. Answer it.
Вы понимаете по-английски? Вы понимаете по-английски?
Да. Я понимаю по-английски.
She's got another question. Answer it with the Russian expression, which means a little.
Вы понимаете по-русски? Вы понимаете по-русски?
Немного. Я немного понимаю по-русски.
And that's true. Now you do understand Russian a little. Don't be concerned if you haven't made every response correctly. Everything you've just learned will be reviewed in future units. If you've mastered about 80% of the material in this lesson, you're ready to move on to the next. Otherwise, you should take another 30 minutes and try this lesson again. This is the end of today's lesson. When you continue with the next unit tomorrow, please begin with track number 2.